Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a color poem text effect in CapCut PC easily. So for instance, I'm going to select widescreen and go to text, select default text, and you can adjust for the duration and the same length, and you can change for the text and change for the font style, change for the color. You can change for the font size. Oops, sorry. Go to animation, select loop, and you can find the color point. Just click on it. But this is Pro effect. You have to join Pro first to be able to use this effect. So this is the final effect you have on your text. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please type in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.